Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Let's talk about top plays for June. Let's start with Mara stock. Mara stock here, I'm watching for it to find support around 15. It's still under the 200 WMA. And if you guys know, anything under the 200 WMA is a buy. So I will be looking to buy as soon as I see buyers show up for Mara stock. I'm waiting to see if they show up though. So this is a 200 WMA play. You buy while it's still cheap under the 200 WMA and then sell it when it goes up. Rinse and repeat. That's all there is to it. Pretty simple play here. So that's a nice little play for June. You can either hold and flip it for like a buck or two, or you can buy a ton of shares and some for, hold for $30 or $20, and some you sell at, scale out. You can also do that. That's really what I'm trying to say. So this is a good play right here. Mara more volatile. Some people were talking about Riot. Riot moves too slow, but when it gets going, it'll go. But you got to be patient. Technically, Mara hasn't really moved. If you're being honest, Mara hasn't really moved. It's been going. This is the daily time frame. It's just been going sideways here. So I don't know why people would complain about Riot not moving. It's Mara hasn't literally moved at all. Yeah, Mara, that's a good play for June. Soundhound, another good play here for June and July, I would say. On the weekly time frame, we finally got that crossover on the MACD, which usually means we're going to pump, right? Here's a pump, here's a pump. We would expect more. And it's right at the 200 WMA as well. So you got a bunch of factors here, a lot of confluence. But it's the fact that it's still at near the 200 WMA also means you're buying at a steep discount compared to the highs of $25. So this is a buy as well. Again, another one that's good for flipping, scaling out, or holding long term, in my opinion. DTSS, this is a chart pattern play. No 200 WMA here. This is a chart pattern play. This is the weekly time frame, ascending triangle. We already bought in at 240. Ascending triangle just means we're going to eventually break out and go higher. So, yeah, I think it's a buy under 240. Buy and accumulate, and then when it pumps, take profit, rinse and repeat. So that's a nice little chart pattern play. Again, it's a weekly time frame, so it's going to be a while before it plays out. Yeah, you'll notice I'm trading off the weeklies and dailies as well. People usually trade off the lower time frames. I don't care for those. We're here to play the big long-term swings. TEM, guess what? Another 200 WMA play. This one likes to use the 200 WMA as support. And if this closes on a green candle today, this is a daily time frame. If this closes on a green candle today, like it did here, and here, it usually spelled upside. So I would wait to see if today we close green, and if it does, buy in, probably a tight stop at under the purple line, and then ride it up if it goes up and take profit. Scale out, up to you. So I just gave you the stop loss and take profit. Up to you how you want to play it. This is just my view of the markets. These are the top 4 plays to keep an eye on for today and for the rest of next month. I think there's going to be a lot of money to be made once the bull run begins. That's it for the video.